Good morning, children. Last class we studied about the production and productivity. What is labor productivity? Labor productivity is equal to total output by number of production workers and benefits of increasing efficiency and how to increase it. Today we'll study about why business hold inventories. What is inventories? Inventories, the stock of raw materials, work in progress and finished goods held by a business. They also add business costs such as warehousing cost, handling cost, shrinkage cost, insurance, obsolescence and opportunity cost. Warehousing cost, which needs to rent or purchase a warehouse to store the inventories. Handling cost needs to be removed into and out of the warehouse. And shrinkage cost, damaged or lost or stolen, will need to be replaced. Insurance cost, cover the losses caused by fire, flood, earthquake, etc. Then obsolescence, may not be able to sell out of dead goods. Opportunity cost, working capital is tied up which could be removed profitably by the business. The production process needs raw materials. If they are not available when required, then the production must stop, which leads the loss of output, and the workers and the machinery will stand idle. If the business does not have finished goods in stock, then customers' orders cannot be met and the business will lose sales. This results in the loss of current and future sales and affect both the nature of business, whether it is short term or long term. Business often benefit from economies of scale when the commodities are purchased in large quantities. They receive a discount from the supplier. This discount will not be given on small quantities. Thus, businesses have to balance the cost of holding inventories. Lean production, the production of goods and services with the minimum waste of resources. If a business wants the benefits of improving productivity, it can reduce the final price of the product to make the business more competitive. This is mainly important for business operating in global markets, as the level of competition is much greater than the business which run in local markets. The prices and lower cost must not lead to a reduction in the quality of the business products, which may lose customers, and this will affect the profitability and competitiveness. Many businesses uses lean production methods in order to improve the competitiveness. Lean production aims to lower the cost of production by reducing waste to a minimum while maintaining or even improving the quality of the finished products, and even inputs to the production process must be used efficiently. There are certain reasons for waste like high inventories, overproduction, idle resources, production benefits defects, which increase a business cost and will reduce its competitiveness and profitability. The introduction of lean production will bring the following benefits, that is, new products can be brought to the market more quickly. Quality is improved. Wastage of time and other resources are reduced. The cost of holding inventories is eliminated. When a business reduces its prices and be more competitive, this will increase sales, revenue and profit. Just in time inventory control, that is JIT. It means no inventories are held by the business. Raw materials and components arrive from suppliers just as they are needed by the production process. Once the production is done, they are delivered to the customers. To achieve this, business need to have an excellent relationship and good communication with suppliers. The raw materials and components have to be delivered on time and be of the required quality and quantity. Both the workers and the machinery used in production must be flexible. They must be able to switch off one product to another at a short time. So children, today we have studied about the lean production, what are its benefits and how the production can be improved easily in the lean production. Thank you.